Hi everybody, it's Connie from the Danville Public Library, and this week you get to make something really fun for the craft. When you pick up your craft, it'll look like this. Looks like this guy's making some snow angels, and then on the back is your craft. It looks little, but it's big fun. So that's what you'll pick up. When you pick it up, you'll have some fun worksheet to do on it. I'm going to show you this one right here. And you open this up just like that, and then you open it again. And on one side, you have a crossword puzzle. And on the other side, you have some addition skills, 3-digit addition, 3-number addition. You're going to get smart all the time on that, and all about snow. So that's your craft worksheet. And then when you open up your packet, be really careful because there are a lot of pieces with it, okay? And I am definitely putting mine on a plate. That's so they won't roll all around. So here's all your pieces. It looks like you have a snowman, a snowflake, another snowflake, and look, 2 jingle bells, and some beads. And here's the ends for your necklace. They go there. So the first thing you need to do is put your necklace out here and think, well, what do I want to be in the middle? Okay? And you can put things on from this end and this end. I want my snowman in the middle. So I'm taking this end and I'm taking my snowman to the middle. Okay? Let me turn this around so you can see. There's my snowman in the middle. And then I want a red bead. So I'll put a red bead on this end. Ooh, I want a red bead over here. So I want to put a red bead on this end. And it'll go right through those holes. So far, this is what you have, okay? Be careful because it'll come undone. I think, I want a green bead. I'll put a green one here. I'll put a green one here. And I'm doing this on each side, so because I want mine to have the same thing on each side. So I have a red bead, a green bead, and then I think I want a snowflake. Oh, yes, I do. I'm going to put a snowflake here, and I'll put a snowflake here. And you can put yours in any order you want. You might want 2 snowflakes in the middle. And so far, this is what your necklace is going to look like. Then, I want a bell. Be careful, these are hard to string. Perfect. Bell, and a bell on this end. Oh boy, that's going to be a challenge. I have to be careful. Pull it through. You can get it. There it goes. It's a little tight. The bells are tight, but you'll get it. Bell and a bell. Let's get that bell down there. Now I only have one more thing. I have a white bead. Okay. Whoa, come on there. There you go. Get it right in there. Pull that through. And I have a white bead over here. Now this is your necklace. Okay. And when you're all finished, it will fit around your neck, of course. Just like that. So pretty. But we have to have an end for it. Now this might be the hardest part of the whole thing. You have to take your string and feed it in there. Whoops. See, I told you it's hard. You string your feet in, put that in there. And then this one goes on this end. Okay? And then what you have to do is you have to make a knot. Like this. And somebody might have to help you. Real tight knot. Let's see if that's going to work. Yes. And then you go down here, make another knot, and you can make your necklace long or you can make it short, and this goes down here. Now the best thing is you'll have to cut some of these ends off, but what you do is you just take your necklace pieces and you hook them together after you cut your ends off, and then you have a beautiful, beautiful snowman necklace. So wear it, have fun, surprise your family with your new necklace. See you guys. Bye.